Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating E03 error code on your Bosch dishwasher, you're in the right place. This error is more common than you might think, especially with the 2025 models, and today we'll break it down step by step so you can get your dishes sparkling clean again. First off, let's understand what E03 means. It typically signals an issue with the water inlet or drainage system, indicating that your dishwasher isn't filling or draining properly. Don't worry. This is often fixable at home without calling a pro. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a clogged filter, low water pressure, a kinked inlet hose, or even a blockage in the drain line. In newer 2025 Bosch models, it could also relate to sensor malfunctions due to hard water buildup. To diagnose and fix it, start with the basics. Unplug your dishwasher for safety, then check the water supply. Ensure the inlet hose is straight, not kinked, and that your home's water pressure is adequate. You can test this by running a faucet. Next, locate and clean the filter, usually found at the bottom of the unit. Remove any food particles or debris that's built up over time. This simple step resolves the issue about 50% of the time. If that doesn't do the trick, inspect the drain hose. Make sure it's not clogged or improperly connected. You might need to disconnect it and clear out any blockages with a pipe cleaner or warm water. For 2025 models, also check for any software updates via the Bosch app, as some errors can be fixed digitally. Once you've made these checks, plug the dishwasher back in and run a test cycle. If the E03 error persists, it might be a deeper issue like a faulty pump or electronic component, so it's time to contact a certified technician. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never work on an appliance that's plugged in. By following these steps, you'll likely have your Bosch dishwasher up and running in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those dishes spotless.